Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Right now I'm just taking my water that has some vinegar in it. If you've noticed, my content is a bit twisted. Guess what? I'm loving it. Don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, let me finish my vinegar, write down my ideas, and let's see what the day holds for us.
I gotta pray, yeah. There ain't no other way. Then I'd rather start my day.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough.
Tomorrow is Monday, so next week I'm going to be wearing a wig throughout, so I just want to prepare up. I have to test tomorrow from school, so I'm going to just shower, and then after that I'll play some two cornrows.
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me.
I remember back in school when we used to, like, high school I went to, they used to let us grow and maintain our hair. So eventually I didn't know how to plait this, but one promise I really made to myself before I actually left the school was like, I need to learn how to really plait these cornrows. I took the initiative to learn this from my Sudanese friends. They used to give me a hand in, like, because we used to have a routine after preps. You plait either cornrows or braids so that by the next morning you take them out, your hair is really soft. My lips are dry. I don't know if it's the sun, because I hydrate. And I'm using this gloss from Nylon Cosmetics. We've done with our hair. My lips are moisturized. So I'm just going to go and do some DIY candle. I did the first one, but I feel like the wick is really so low that I can't light it up. Good morning, guys. Today is a Monday, and it's one of those days where you just don't feel like getting out of your bed. I have exams today, and I'm preparing to just have breakfast and then head out because I want to be there earlier. Though the paper is around 1, so I'll get to school around 10.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture?
Remember, we created a canon, and this is how it looks.
This one I can do the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to